Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Minecraft and you go straight to the settings to change brightness. Press ESC, choose Options, then open Video Settings. This takes you to the display controls where the brightness slider lives. Move the slider left for darker, right for brighter. This is the key control. Make small adjustments first to test visibility in caves and at night. Once you see a range you like, keep the window open so you can test other visual elements without losing your place. Now fine-tune the brightness while actively testing in the world. Set the slider one notch, return to gameplay, and check dark areas like caves or the nether to see real effect. This shows how ambient light responds. If you use resource packs, shaders, or full screen, make sure to test with those enabled because they can override perceived brightness. Once you find a comfortable setting, note it. You may need different levels for exploration versus building. Finish by clicking Done to save the brightness setting, then return to play. If the change seems not to apply, restart Minecraft. Some mods or shaders require a reload. Make sure shader packs or resource packs aren't forcing darker lighting, and adjust their settings or disable them to isolate the problem. Finally, update your graphics drivers and the game if issues persist. These updates often resolve conflicts that stop brightness from changing properly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.